Plan and Practice Hindi channel. Today we will see Madhyama lesson 4 Abdul Kalam. We'll continue the exercise part. Fifth question. निम्नलिखित पद्यांश पढ़कर प्रश्नों का उत्तर दीजिए। मेरे शिक्षकों ने मुझे इतना ऊंचा उठा दिया कि उनके कारण ही मैं आज बुलंदियों को छू रहा हूँ। My teachers have raised me so high that I am touching the great heights in my life, and it is only because of them, because of my teachers. Like that, Abdul Kalam is saying in this lesson that we have discussed in the previous video. हमारे जीवन में हमें शिखर पर लाने वाले तीन ही व्यक्ति ही होते हैं। In our life, there are only three people who would always wish us and want us to reach the peak or mountain top. वे हैं माता पिता और गुरु। They are our mother, father and teachers. ये तीनों ही हमारे मन में सर्वोत्तम विचार और चरित्र का बीजारोपण कर सकते हैं। Only these three can sow the good seeds and best thoughts, best character in our life. So we will go to the questions that they have given. They have given this paragraph and they have given some questions. We have to answer these questions based on the paragraph. First question. किसने अब्दुल कलाम को ऊंचा उठाया? Who raised Abdul Kalam to great heights in his life? शिक्षकों ने अब्दुल कलाम को ऊंचा उठाया। The teachers have lifted him to great heights in his life. किसने अब्दुल कलाम को ऊंचा उठाया? शिक्षकों ने अब्दुल कलाम को ऊंचा उठाया। We'll go to the next question. हमें शिखर पर लाने वाले कौन कौन होते हैं? Who will bring us to the top of the mountain or peak of the mountain in our life? शिखर means peak, top. हमें शिखर पर लाने वाले माता पिता और गुरु होते हैं। The people who make us to reach great heights are three people: our mother, father and teachers. So second question, हमें शिखर पर लाने वाले कौन कौन होते हैं? हमें शिखर पर लाने वाले माता पिता और गुरु होते हैं। We'll go to the third question now. माता पिता और गुरु का कर्तव्य क्या है? What are the duties of mother, father and teachers? कर्तव्य means responsibility, duty. माता पिता और गुरु हमारे मन में सर्वोत्तम विचार और चरित्र का बीजारोपण कर सकते हैं। So in this if you see, सर्वोत्तम means the best or high. Meaning is best or high. Vichar means thoughts. Vichar means thoughts. Charitra means character. So mother, father and teacher's duty is to sow the best seeds. Plant the seed which are best in thoughts and character when we are young. So they have that duty and responsibility, our mother, father and teachers. माता पिता और गुरु हमारे मन में in our heart. They will show the good and good thoughts, high thoughts, and good character in our life right from our childhood. Whatever you go, that becomes more expanded when you grow up. So, sowing the seed and planting the seed is very important in the childhood, and that is done by our mother, father, and teachers. माता पिता और गुरु हमारे मन में सर्वोत्तम विचार और चरित्र का बीजारोपण कर सकते हैं. बीजारोपण means sowing the seed, seeding, they say. Okay, we'll go to the sixth question. निम्नलिखित प्रश्नों के उत्तर 5-5 वाक्य में दीजिए. They have given some questions below. You have to answer in 5 lines. It is a essay type question. It's a big question. Now we will see the first question. डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम के व्यक्तित्व जीवन के बारे में 5 वाक्य लिखिए. राइट अबाउट पर्सनल लाइफ ऑफ अब्दुल कलाम. डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम का व्यक्तिगत जीवन. डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम का व्यक्तिगत जीवन कठिन परिश्रम करते हुए बीता. The personal life of Abdul Kalam was very hard. He was facing very hardship and lot of obstacles, and he has to face it and come up in life. So he passed with lot of troubles and obstacles in his life. वे साधारण परिवार के थे. He was from an ordinary family, middle class family. वे प्रतिदिन 18 घंटे काम करते थे. Every day he used to work 18 hours. स्कूली शिक्षा समाप्त करके उन्होंने मद्रास इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी से इंजीनियरिंग की डिग्री प्राप्त की. Once he completed his schooling, he has done his graduation from Madras Institute of Technology, and he completed his engineering degree there. उसके बाद इसरो में रॉकेट इंजीनियरिंग का कोर्स किया. After that he completed the ISRO's rocket engineering course. He completed rocket engineering course from ISRO after his graduation in engineering. So we'll go to the second question now. अध्यापक ने बच्चों को चिड़िया का पाठ कैसे समझाया? How did the teacher teach the lesson about the bird? अध्यापक की श्री शिव सुब्रमण्य अय्यर करीब 45 मिनट तक चिड़िया का पाठ समझाते रहे. So almost around 45 minutes the teacher has taken the class for describing. He described about the bird and how it flew. He has taken this class for 45 minutes. 3 बच्चे समझ नहीं सके. 3 children could not understand this class, whatever he taught in the class. इसलिए अध्यापक ने तीनों बच्चों को अपने घर बुलाया. So the teacher called all the 3 children to his home. उन्होंने समुद्र तट पर ले गए. उन्हें समुद्र तट पर ले गए. The teacher took the children to the seashore or beach. चिड़िया की ओर इशारा करके उन्होंने बच्चों को समझाया कि चिड़िया में जीवन होता है. So he showed a bird which was flying in the seashore, and he told the children and made them understand in the bird there is life, and that is how he made the children understand about the bird how it flew. At this point of time, Kalam was able to understand as the description was very easily explained by his teacher. This is what the teacher said about the bird to the children. Now we will go to the third question. अब्दुल कलाम के जीवन में माता पिता और गुरु का क्या स्थान रहा? What was the place in the life of Abdul Kalam for mother, father and teachers? The answer is अब्दुल कलाम के जीवन में माता पिता और गुरु का सर्वोत्तम स्थान था. He kept mother, father and teacher in a very high place, in a very top place. हमारे जीवन में हमें शिखर पर लाने वाले तीन ही व्यक्ति होते हैं. In our life only three people wish us and want us to be in the top of the mountain or peak. वे हैं माता पिता और गुरु. They are teacher, mother and father. That is what Abdul Kalam said. वे तीनों ही हमारे मन में सर्वोत्तम विचार और चरित्र का बीजारोपण करते हैं. Only these people have the duty and responsibility, and they really show the best and high thoughts and teach us good character and sow that seed in our life, so that when we become big, these things is expand and help us to reach the top of the sky. शिक्षकों के कारण उनके सपने साकार होने का मनोबल मिला. Through teachers, he could get the confidence to reach the heights what he want to achieve in his life. He has given a great place for teachers in his life as well as his parents. So this was the questions from the lesson Abdul Kalam, lesson 4 for Fatima. You can read, understand the meaning of the words and practice it by writing. So this would be easy for you to understand and learn better. Hope you all understood. Happy reading. Thank you.